Good evening. We are going to talk about the United States is going through a drinking water crisis, a danger to the health of the community. This about the HDJ, clear water and sanitation. And the first topic is the importance. The importance. We can define the sixth SDG, clean water and sanitation, as a problem in the United States when analyzing the different crisis factors present in the United States context. Clear. In this case, there are different factors for which this SDG is at risk in its compliance, which can affect the health of the nearby community by not complying with the drinking water quality parameters. These factors are: the first, age of the infrastructure. In recent years, the age of the pipes has caused them to be inadequate to fulfill their purpose, in addition to having leaks which cause the transported water to be contaminated. Additionally, there are massive power cuts due to the same system defects. One of the most serious problems is because some pipes date from the Civil War, and their defects are not attended to until there is a major leak or a supply problem in different regions that are left without water. In general, the problem currently lies in the fact that there has been no renewal of the pipes in the supply system, which in many cases is more than a century old. The second topic is weather problems. Climate problems in the United States, particularly in the state of California, is a problem that dates back many years. However, currently almost 41 of the 58 counties in the region are not drought alert. Most of western North America is in a water emergency. States with recurring water shut-offs are Arizona, Colorado, Nevada, New Mexico, Utah, and Wyoming.
Okay, the third topic is irresponsible industry. Contrary to what is thought, most the companies, corporations, and organizations are the least contaminated to this problem. The best example is Nestle, since it has been accused of numerous occasions of draining gas in the California forest of San Bernardino and other regions. Additionally, about 70 to 27 billion gallons of contaminated water were generated by 46 mines. The textile sector only the year 2021. This was due to the cultivation of cotton, livestock, the extraction of oil, gas, and mining. As can be seen, those are the sectors that pollute the water the most. The fourth topic is aquifer contamination. This problem is clearly of the most worrisome is the USA environment. Drinking water is contaminated with heavy metals and the set of pathogens due to the reasons mentioned above. Irresponsible industry, weather problems, and the old infrastructure. Additionally, the country does not provide economic funds to solve these problems. So, citizens will see drastic change in their water supplies, including an increased risk of lead contamination from the irresponsible industry and the leaking pipes. Mainly contamination by uranium, arsenic, or mercury occurs in areas where mining contaminates the water. This can be confirmed thanks to the experiment with 120 water samples and 118 contaminated land. Also, 35% PF8 and 8% arsenic carried out by mining companies. Public service on different states of the American country. Conclusions. It is important to highlight that the water quality conditions must comply with environment regulations. This in order not to affect the health of the community with the contaminated drinking water, which, as evidenced in the studies, uranium contamination in general, arsenic, mercury, especially in mining areas, and these factors propagate by the age of the water condition infrastructure, and the companies and responsible industry are not responsible for complying with environmental regulations regarding the discharges they carry out, such as Nestlé, and there is also no priority or awareness in running interference with the water quality parameters.
Finally, the recommendation. It is necessary to mention that the United States is currently working on renewing the infrastructure regarding the pipes, the water pipes that run through all the counties, states, and towns in the United States. Additionally, for the full fulfillment of the Sustainable Development Objectives, it is recommended the implementation of funds for the construction, maintenance, and support of all the necessary infrastructure. In addition to the implementation of new and better regulations that prohibit the different industries like Nestlé from destructive environmental practices. In this way, potability is ensured of water and its quality parameters.
Thanks.